You on.
What it do, people? This your boy Night Stalker, Gunner Squad, Tifa Unit. Down here in Nebraska, Aerosol. What I got here is I got a new order, got me some new camo and stuff, and I bought a new gun. I'm getting ready to go to an out here in Ohio, so I wanted to buy some new stuff because I didn't want to wear my old stuff. So I went and got some new camo. Me and the team was talking about new camo, and this is the new camo we decided to get here. This is A-TAC camo, pretty good color. Nice and green. Green is our ultimate color because we started out with woodland green. You know what I'm saying? We try to stick to that base color there as far as our team is concerned. The pants here came a couple days earlier. But what we're here to do now is we're here to check out what came today. Now what I said, like I said, I'm going to a game in Ohio. I haven't played in Ohio for a few years, so it's good to go back again and be able to play again. So what I got here is this camo and this new gun right here, and some optics and stuff like that. But what we're going to check out here is the shirt to the camo. We want to make sure that the shirt is identical to the pants. Darker is okay, lighter is not. Because you know, if it's darker, it'll wash out. And from what I can see right here, it looks like it's going to be perfect. Yes, it looks like it's going to be perfect. Yeah. We got the sleeves, we got the reinforced sleeves here. We got the patch, Velcro patch right here on the top of the shoulder. We got another pocket here, right here down at the wrist area. Same thing for the other sleeve. Like I said, it's reinforced around the elbows and the arms. So that's good for when I'm going sliding in the dirt and I'm sliding down hills and stuff. I do kind of tear my camo up. The shirt, it's kind of nice, kind of thin. It's not too heavy. Fabric feels nice. Nice little zipper on the front. Velcro on the back of the sleeve. Back collar there. Velcro on the cuffs. That's it. Pretty nice shirt. And it's going to fit nice, which I will do a fitting here soon when I also do my gun test. Like I said, but the colors matching up just perfect. The colors is matching up perfectly. So that's a good thing. Amazon did me good on this one. Amazon, I like that. You know, and it got here. Alright, back to what I was saying. Before we got cut off by the tablet. I got magazines from Ike.com's Cow coupon. The Cow coupon they give you whenever you buy a new gun. You get free stuff with the gun or pistol that you buy. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is pick the Cow coupon and write one and you get this. I got the two Big Cat Mouse.
I'm coming home this way.
Now here I got a scope. Now the scope looks pretty nice. I like the way it feels. Feels all metal, no plastic, no nothing. So it's good for taking durability and getting hit by a BB or anything. You know what I'm saying? You got the flip up covers and all that. And it's a red and green dot. Like I said, that's a matrix. I think that's pretty awesome. Like I said, that feels real nice. And I put that on the gun I got here to see how that looks and how it feels and everything. Because I also got the, you know, the magnifier with it too. And like I said, that also feels all metal. So I think I might have pulled it off and got a real rifle, real little still. But who knows, right? But we'll put all that on here in a minute. But we just want to get down to the nitty gritty of the box. I also got a speed loader and some BBs coming too. I thought they would be here today too. They didn't seem to be. There's my paperwork there. Box. Yep. Just make sure it's up right. Now this right here is a custom Evike. Alright. Now this is my first custom Evike. I usually buy Airsoft GIs, customs. You know, because I always got good guns from Airsoft GI. I always got good guns from Evike.com, and that was the reason for buying this one today. Excuse me. Hello? Hello? She's sleeping. Yep. You're welcome.
That's how we do it. We take an actual phone call. An actual phone call.
It never stops in this. Oh, yeah. Feels nice and heavy. Got the Evike symbol on it. We got the rail covers, which I can seem to take off if I need to. But we'll take off later. Got a rolling stock here.
I know.
Nice mag.
Hold on real quick.
Everything feels nice and cool. And I like the way the gun looks. I like the way it feels. I'll probably remove these. But other than that, everything looks just fine. Like I said, we're going to do a fire test and see how it feels. And put the optics and stuff on there and see how all that looks and everything. But that's today's Airsoft unboxing of Evike's custom CQBR 210. Night Stalker of Gunner Squad, Tifa Unit, Airsoft, Nebraska. See you on the field. Play safe.